Hello YouTube family, we are back with a very special one to us. This is one that we both grew up eating, so we put our own little twist on it, but we are going to be making banana fritters. So first things first, you're going to peel and mash up 3 very ripe bananas. Because this recipe doesn't contain any sugar, you want to use the ripest bananas as they will be the sweetest. Now add in 1 cup of flour. We used white spelt flour, but you can use any flour of your choice. So here you can add in your spices. We're using about 1 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract, a 1/4 teaspoon of ground cardamom, 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon, 1/2 teaspoon of nutmeg, 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder, a pinch of salt, and 1/2 teaspoon of ground ginger, which we didn't actually catch on camera. You'll need to use between 3/4 to 1 cup of plant milk. We used coconut milk. Add in a little bit at a time until you roughly achieve the texture that we have here in the video. The batter should stick to the fork but still flow quite easily. This one is quite a simple recipe to follow, really good for breakfasts or quick snacks, but we hope you've been enjoying all of the content we've been putting out so far, as we've got so much more for you. Please just remember to like, comment, subscribe and share, as it really helps us keep doing what we're doing. In a frying pan, heat a couple tablespoons of oil. We used avocado, but you can use whatever you prefer. Now just ladle in spoons of the batter. Cook for a few minutes on each side before flipping. You want a nice deep brown colour on both sides. These are best served hot. You can add any toppings you like, from ice cream to fruit, but we just simply topped with some cinnamon sugar. Thank you so much for watching, and keep an eye out for more videos coming your way.